Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video of electromagnetic fields. So in today's video we are going to discuss deeply about what are the various effects of electromagnetic fields. So in the previous video we have discussed about what are the sources of electromagnetic fields and its effects and its applications, and now let's deep dive into the effects of electromagnetic fields. So in this unit we are going to purely discuss about electromagnetic fields. So now let's see what are the scalar and vector fields, because we know that electromagnetic fields are around us. It has both magnitude as well as directions. So let's see what the real world EMF exposure will be and what it emphasizes. We know that the prolonged usage of mobile phones will cause a severe damage to our nervous systems because it is one of the adverse effects of electromagnetic fields. So now let's see how this EMF interaction makes a biological impact on our human body. First is that cellular absorption. Biological tissues can absorb EMF energy, including to heating at higher frequencies, though because our body heat on the heat exposure to the environments, lot of cells absorb these electromagnetic fields, and these electromagnetic fields may interact with molecules affecting cellular processes. So once the absorbed radiations creates a resonance. Resonance is nothing but matching of frequencies. So when these frequency of electromagnetic fields and the frequency of a body or the molecules matches, it creates a resonance, so which is an abnormal or a transient conditions. So this interaction is complex and it's highly debated among the scientists, and because it creates a biological worse impact on our human body. And the final thing is that neurological impact. Some research suggests that electromagnetic fields could influence brain activity and nervous system functions, potentially affecting sleep or mood. This we have experienced often. The moment we use more of cell phone, our eyes will become so heavy and we will be out of sleep. So that is one of a good example of exposure to electromagnetic fields. And also we often keep our mobile phones charging, and it will be placed near our bed, near our pillow while sleeping, and thus radiations will also disturb our sleep. Now let's see how we can easily navigate these electromagnetic fields wisely, because we know that the surrounding around us is purely electromagnetic field filled. So now we are in a need to find a solution to navigate this electromagnetic fields, because we know that we are highly dependent on electricity. So we cannot avert the usage of electricity, because we are not ancient people and now we are modern technology dependent people. So we are very much addicted to those electricity usages and the electric gadgets. So we cannot abruptly stop this electromagnetic interference towards us. Now, so we can simply navigate, or we can reduce the usage of these kind of equipments in order to stay us away from these electromagnetic fields. We cannot completely make the electromagnetic interference zero, but we can avoid it or reduce it to some extent. How? That we will see in this slide. First thing is that awareness is the key. Yes, many of us are still unaware of how this electromagnetic field makes an adverse impact on our human body. So it is our duty to educate ourselves and also to educate others about this EMF interference, because it has a potential effect on the human body. Step 2 is the precautionary measures. Though we have a lot of electro gadgets around us, we still should be more precautious, and we have to handle all those devices with care, because by adopting simple habits, we can reduce the exposure without sacrificing technology's benefits. So that is what precautionary measure is all about. And final thing is continuous learning. Yes, the science of EMF is still evolving. It keeps on evolving day by day. Staying updated is crucial for potential and public health. Though we are very much aware that EMF is a threat to our living being, but we still continue to live with this. So in this fast-paced world, we cannot avoid its usage, but we can reduce its impact by handling those EMF generating devices with care. So through this, you can easily make a clear impact on how to reduce these electromagnetic field creating gadgets. So this is how we can wisely navigate the EMF usage. So in this video we have discussed the adverse effect of electromagnetic fields alone in a clear manner. So in the upcoming video we can easily navigate through the next concepts of electromagnetic fields, which are the scalar and vector fields, and then vector calculates, coordinate systems and all. So keep watching this video series in order to gain more understanding about the electromagnetic fields theory. So in the upcoming video, you can expect even more basics of electromagnetic fields. Okay, so keep watching and keep learning. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Bye. Take care.